Hey, so I usually don't have intros for my videos, but I feel like in this instance I need to explain why I have a Tesla in the Subaru Racer channel. As you see, I have my STI shirt, so I do usually race a Subaru, a 2015 Subaru WRX STI is the car I race now. But I am racing my Tesla because my Subaru wasn't ready, it's in the shop, it's getting fixed, I'm hoping to get it ready for the next race. So I just wanted to have some, or explain some observations I had while racing my Tesla. So it has track mode since I have the Stealth Performance version. It doesn't have the performance package, but I do have track mode and the faster motors. So I noticed with track mode on, the car allows you to get sideways, but not too much. I can tell that it was made for asphalt more because the stability control still kicked in if I got too sideways. So I put the car in dyno mode, and I definitely don't recommend doing this in public streets because dyno mode is a handful and everything's completely off in terms of stability control. So the car got really sideways. But I noticed in dyno mode I was able to get the car sideways, I was able to control the torque with the throttle or the accelerator pedal, whatever you want to call it, and I was able to control the slides, the drift, and just be able to manage the power more effectively and steering angle. And I noticed if I turn on slip start, I was able to launch off the start better with all four wheels, because if I didn't have slip start on, it would actually like limit my power for launching. So I'm assuming it's because it was designed, it's a dyno mode, so it was designed for a dynamometer, something like that. I don't know what it's called. But yeah, I'm assuming that's why it wasn't able to launch hard unless you turn on slip start. And I noticed when you turn on slip start also regen is off. So I was able to do some left foot braking while using it, but I noticed if I pressed the accelerator and the brake at the same time, the car would kill power for about a second or so. So that was kind of annoying. So I had to make sure I was not hitting both pedals at the same time. So I just got literally this morning track mode version 2. So now with track mode version 2, my experience with dyno mode and playing around with slip start, I think it's out the window, because now with track mode version 2, you can disable stability control completely, like completely off. -10 is the setting that they have. They have 0, -10, and all the way to +10, I saw. So I made a setting where I have the power set to 45, 55, so a little bit more in the back, and I put stability control -10, and I'm keeping regen at 100%. And track mode version 2, if you haven't seen videos about it, is very cool. There's other videos out there explaining it more, but definitely now I think if I ever race my Tesla again, which I don't intend to because my Subaru should be fixed, so I don't intend to do this again anytime soon. It is addicting. It's definitely amazing to have amazing torque on even on dirt, but if I had the car had better tires, it would be amazing. I was running all season tires, by the way, in the video. So it wasn't the best traction, but it was definitely fun. So yeah, I just wanted to explain why you're seeing a test on the video, and dyno mode is what I recommended when at least a week ago, but now with track version 2, probably track mode will be better now, as long as you disable stability control or make it less than the default. I think default is 0 for race mode, which I saw as a preset, a race preset that they had. So enjoy the video.